Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing HomeDash, Server Monitor, and Dashboard on Linux. To get started, launch the terminal and run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to install any available software updates. Then we use apt install to install Java and Maven. We can verify that Java and Maven were installed successfully using Java and MVM with the version flag. Now that we have Java and Maven installed, we'll create a directory for HomeDash to live in. We'll set the current user as the owner of the new directory. Then we'll change to the new directory. Next, we'll use regular expression to look up the latest release of HomeDash on GitHub. We'll download the latest release to homedash.jar. Using the jar file, we'll generate a config file. And finally, we'll execute the jar file to start the HomeDash process. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host :4567. Welcome to HomeDash, running on your Linux device. Now we can customize our dashboard by adding different modules and arranging and resizing them as we see fit. Here I'll add the System Info module, where I can monitor CPU and memory usage.